One time when IVANY used to cuss, me and Rosalie at it same time, me and Shibi at it same time, me and Destiny, me and Lady P, and me one for everybody. While everybody peer upon me one. Them always have a group up for IVANY. I mean, like, I give them followers, but like, you don't really want me to go sit down on my blood clot computer and study TikTok. Because if you don't make me sit down and study TikTok, you're not going to have a TikTok for go on. And in America, me there. And me can take you off of Instagram. You and your girl and the whole of them. But what? Me see what I do. You're not going to get me if you go to prison. So DNA can run so you get ice. No. You're not getting my son. This is my son. I always tell God, say, God, my pum pum run every man. From the man them come in, say back off. You see? The man them not even have to come side of me. The longest my relationship keep a 3 month. Blood clot. Long. 3 month flat. As the man then come, my pum pum say back off. So true me know me can't keep a man. I always tell God, say, God, just give me one baby. I'm a baby, I'm a man, and we are. My baby will come give me grandkids, and my grandkids will be my children. Dreams do come true. Say, ice here, you're not getting ice from me. You're not getting him. I'm swear to God, you're not getting him. Honestly, the world don't revolve around you. Everybody in the world have rights. All immigrants have rights. Come pop up out of my blood clot yard right now. Come pop up out here and put your hand on me, or you pop up and me come chew a piss on you and see if me not have rights. See me a road and drive and lick me down and see if me not have rights. See me all a Walmart and act like you want to come take ice when your name not the on birth paper and see if me not have rights. Test me right way and see if me not have rights. Eh? Your name born, you're born in Germany. I tell the people them, boy, your father was this. I go that bad that you come through. Like me, boy, you get through already. And I come brag. All your girl, she not American. She's a Mexicano. Uno Trump want to take out her country. Think of me? Uno Trump want to take out of this blood clot. We not going like you a born citizen. We not born over here. We never born over here. You're running for your country. You come live. Just like I come running from Jamaica. Your father was in the army. You never did have to left Germany. You could have stay in Germany and live. That the one day never have to come to Atlanta. You could have stay a Mexicano just like you could have stay a Jamaica. So you come a foreigner and come go on like foreigner blood clot phone. Eh? You come a foreigner and go on like foreigner phone. I go tell me about me. You're not gonna do this because you don't have family. Oh, you don't have no family in Atlanta. You don't have no family in Atlanta. Your mother is from Louisiana. You might have one brother you were working in the army and him hardly there. My sisters them in a Connecticut and they don't know nothing about my sister because all I hear them say my sister don't like me. I text my sister them every day. My screen record my sister them every day. My sister them don't have nothing against me. My sister married in August. Me and Isa got a wedding in August in a Connecticut. My 3 sisters them where they are Connecticut love me and them talk. My mother where they are Jamaica, my mother love me. My mother talk every day. Man, I don't have nothing against me. I don't know where to come from and get that from. My sister and brother who live in England, me and them talk every day. I just me and my father no reason. Me have family in New York. Me have family in South Carolina. Me have family in Connecticut. Me have family in California. You only have family where me know about in Louisiana. You can't get full custody of Pitney. You work every single day. I left you want to left my pitney with your woman, or I left you want to left my pitney with your mother when I go down at that bumbo blood clot and take up 2 big stones and fling that bumbo clot through window and climb for that girl like a black ninja. I bet you don't fuck around me again. I bet you no blood clot fuck around me again. Get over pitney. Left over pitney down and that the girl not like me. So she not gonna like my pitney. Cause me not like she, me not like nothing where she birth. It is what it is. So if you feel like me too raw food or me too plain to tell the truth, you not gonna like me. Me not like she, I'm not like nothing what she birth or what she about to birth. And nothing what she birth or about to birth can't come near me nor eyes. Me teach eyes for kick down that flat. And you can't trust nothing to go around she neither. Cause you not like me, you will not like my pitney. I don't know born with sense, you know some man crooked Mexican girl. You go to see my pitney and pinch my pitney down there. Father God, you see? Me make sure I make it coat plain blank. No say fi me pitney now go down this. Huh? Fi me pitney now go down this. So them the girl we pinch up your pitney and do the most. Me I tell her say them we do the most. Because she breed. Fi make the boy forget about ice and fi take care of she breed for a point. But she go left with the point. Because one time him breed 100, he still a go want fight for ice. And the fact that your sister not care what you do, the man attention still there, so that alone a mad you. Because there is no way you can be a happy baby mother and you still a mention me name. My girl, what you want from me so? What you want from me so? What you want from me so? You have everything, you have your car, apartment down there, you have the man, you have a baby on the way. What you want with me, girl? Me not trouble you. What you want with me? And your man you figure argue with where you take a set pan we. He might take a set pan we. He may figure argue with and not me. And leave me alone. Me do over your saw beg before TikTok shut down. Lord me make me beg me look a thing in peace. See me go and look a followers. Use it wisely and leave me. Over talk the truth. I bet you not see when talk the truth I post it. All she post about a swallow pitney and depression. You don't see the Facebook. Me a mad girl. You don't see Facebook. Talk the things me see it pan. Me no watch her. Me no have Facebook. I talk the things page me see it pan. Over pan TikTok. Go pan talk the things them pan TikTok and you go and see everything where she a post over Facebook or man a depressed her and she swallow pitney too and whatever. That mean me a mad yo. Leave me alone. Me not trouble you. Me do over here start do my thing. And the fact that everything me post the boy I watch. Yesterday over upon in live, he must say, you be posting those niggas on my life. That not getting me jealous. I'm just one for my son. Tell me now. You go upon live and talk about your son. You never have to mention to me the post one man for my story. It affect you. It affect you. It does affect you. Because me posting one man for my story, you never have to come live come say that. I mean, yeah, watch me. Me open your son page so you can go on it free and watch. Or you reach over on Fimi page for know when me post over Fimi page. Me can post and say anything I want to make anybody get jealous. Me can show what and do anything I want to do. Why you pick it up? If me say me I go make ice, go hug up one man or one man kiss up ice. Me say anything I want to say, me not idiot. Why me would I go take up my precious baby and make strangers kiss my baby and a bond with my baby to make who get jealous? My baby? If you go up on one next man Rochester, me no know from nowhere. Breeding a oofa baby face and me no know you from nowhere. If you post on which media, if you make oofa head at them. Me no say careless bro, all me need peace for beg. Me I beg you please. Leave me in peace for beg. Me over here about 2 hours at talk. You know how much gift me could I get back? Matters fact, all I who send gift, send them blood clot back right now. Don't talk. I'll me go in class today. All on the TikTokers and all on the rankers and everybody when me send out my lion of Franny Rose go down, send them back now. I'm just joking, y'all. And I'm good. I like the fact that I can just come on TikTok and I can just say something and I want to run with it. Not tell me say Destiny life because I don't want to hear about Destiny. Something seriously. Destiny just want my friendship and I don't want a friend from Destiny. Period. I want a friend from Destiny. Me alright with me look a friend that me have. Me alright. Me not want a friend from Destiny. Me good. I just want them low me for beg. Low me for beg. Me I beg in peace. Low me.